Hey guys, this is Pratibha. Welcome to my channel. I'm back with another vlog. Last week we went to a 3-day trip to Goa and I will share with you all the details. Our flight landed at Goa airport at midnight. I will insert a clip of the night view from the plane. Look at this view guys, this is so mesmerizing. यहाँ से हमने अपने होटल के लिए एक कैब ली. So this is the property guys, this is Alcove Resorts and this is situated at Anjuna Beach. Let me give you a property tour. You can book this hotel for around 5,000 per night. And अगर आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ ऑफ सीजन में विजिट करते हैं, you can get much better discounts. I really like the bathroom as it has such a unique design. Our room had an amazing view, plus the location is great as it gives private access to the beach. This is also close to other beaches like Baga and Anjuna Beach. Also other restaurants like Thalassa, Purple Cafe are nearby. We are now heading to the breakfast area as we were really hungry by this time. Another special thing about this resort is that it has an open air restaurant, so you can enjoy your breakfast with an amazing view. They offered us a huge spread of continental breakfast. Vagatur Beach is a 10-minute walk from this resort, while Anjuna Beach is just 1.4 kilometers away. It also has its private beach which is very less crowded than the other beaches. If you are looking for a peaceful stay, I totally recommend this one. After spending some time here, we decided to go for lunch to Thalassa, which is one of the most famous restaurants in Goa. This has true Greek appearance and outdoor tables shaded by palm trees. We went at lunchtime, so the place was not very crowded, but it was lively. Food was excellent and so was the ambience. Then we went to Baga Beach for its famous sunset view. The beach was fully decorated and it is one of the most happening beaches in Goa. This beach is so pretty, I felt like I could stay here forever. There are a lot of shacks and restaurants by the beach. You can spend a pleasant evening with your family here and relish the scenic beauty of this place. You will also find a lot of water sports here like kite surfing and jet skiing to name a few. You can also go for dolphin spotting tours and island trips from the beach. This beach is also known for its famous Tito's Lane, which has some of the best restaurants in Goa. If you love shopping, there is also a Tibetan market on the Baga Road. The night view was so amazing. It was fully decorated with hearts and palm trees. This is perfect for a romantic candlelight dinner for couples. You can spend some quality time with your family and it is totally relaxing here. We really enjoyed our first day in Goa and I will be back with the second part of this Goa vlog. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Till then, take care. Bye bye.